Good morning, my dear students. I know you all are waiting for the chapter revision. Yes, which chapter? Trigonometry. Yes, which is very interesting chapter. I just loved this chapter. I think you too. Yes. So let us revise this chapter. Trigonometry means three-sided measurement. Yes, trigonometry is applied in right angle triangles. So let us see, this is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree and angle A and angle C are acute angles. So here we consider one of the acute angle, that is angle C, which is theta. Yes, so theta is angle C. Now we can apply trigonometrical ratios. That which is the first trigonometrical ratio? You know that it is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. We are recollecting, revising. So you just close your eyes and recollect whether you know the answer and listen to my answer. Okay. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. That means opposite side of the given angle. Yes, that is AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side and AC is a hypotenuse. And what other ratios did you study in this class, which is cosec theta, sec theta and cot. Cosec, sec and cot ratios. So I told you easy method of learning this, right? Keep in mind sin, cos, tan in the order. So sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So first we'll keep sin, cos, tan. Then below we will write cosec, sec, cot. Right? So sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is cosec? Cosec is inverse of sin. Therefore, it is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Inverse of sin theta is cosec theta. Therefore, we can write cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta or sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Now, second, cos theta. Cos and sec are inverse ratios. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So, what is sec theta? Sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Next is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So, cot is inverse of tan. That means adjacent side upon opposite side. So, tan is inverse of cot and cot is inverse of tan. Yes, I hope by now it is clear to you. Sin and cosec are inversely proportional. S and C, remember this way, S and C. Here, cos and sec are inversely proportional. Tan and cot are inversely proportional. Very easily we can remember. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. You should have this picture in mind when you think of the trigonometrical ratios. What is the other ratio? Now let us draw. This figure can be in this way also, isn't it? That is not only one. So if you draw the figure this way, triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree, then we know that theta is a angle given, which is angle C. So opposite side of this angle is AB and this is the adjacent side. This is opposite side. Therefore, we can write all the trigonometrical ratios of this also, right? Now, what is the relation between sin, cos and tan? There is a relation between these three. That is, sin, cos and tan ratio is sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now we know cot is inverse of tan. So what is inverse of this then? Cos theta upon sin theta. Yes, cot is inverse of tan. Therefore, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. As we have finished now, what is cosec? Cosec is inverse of sin. Sin is inverse of cos. Therefore, sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta or cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Next is sec theta. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta or 1 upon sec theta is equal to cos theta. Third is cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So, cot is inverse of tan. So all these trigonometric ratios you have to keep in mind, you have to learn, understand. You will get the question either writing in the way, what is sine theta? Sine figure will be given, you will be asked to write what is sine theta. So opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is equal to AB upon AC. Sometimes length of the sides will be given, you will be asked to find what is the ratio sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, or cosec theta, sec theta, or cot theta, any one of this. So from this, that day I taught you one easy method. Yes? That day I had taught you one easy method of recollecting the trigonometrical ratios by keeping this word in mind. What is Osha Chota? Yes? OSH. First three letters are for sine and cosec. So how can we remember this very easily? Opposite side upon, if you keep the finger or any object like this, this shows upon sign. Okay. So opposite side upon hypotenuse is equal to sine theta. So take the first three letters. Opposite side upon hypotenuse is equal to sine theta. Now second one. Next three letters. In between, middle letter, that is C. So this stands for upon sign. Okay. So adjacent upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. A adjacent upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. Same way, next last three letters, opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to tan theta. T stands for tan theta. So in this order, if we take the three letters and take upon ratio, we get sine, cos and tan. Now reverse order in opposite direction. Adjacent side upon opposite side is equal to cot theta. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side is equal to sec theta. Hypotenuse upon opposite side is equal to cosec theta. So this direction, sine, cos, tan ratio. Opposite direction, cosec, sec, cot ratio. So sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Same way, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And adjacent side upon opposite side is equal to cot theta. Yes, I know by now you are thorough with the trigonometric ratios. It is very useful for your higher studies also. Can you recollect the trigonometric identities? Yes, just think. Which are the trigonometric identities? Yes, I know that you got it in your mind, right? The first one. Yes, shall I give you? Yes, it is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The first trigonometric identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. See how I told you, how can you remember also? C and C, 1 plus cot is equal to cosec square theta. Identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Recollect now. Yes, come on, let us learn together. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Yes, you have to remember only 3 identities, not many. Only 3 identities, which are, once again, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So learn these identities so that you can do all the proof type of sums of this chapter. It will become very easy because now since the chapters are less, you will get more questions from all the chapters. So learn this formula, learn this identity so you can answer all the questions of this chapter.